Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Zoom app and signing in. This ties your profile to the account so changes sync. Once signed in, tap your avatar or initials in the top right corner on desktop or the bottom right on mobile. That opens your profile area where the avatar field lives. Make sure you use the device where you want the photo visible first, because the client will upload and propagate the image to other devices after you complete the next steps. Now choose and upload the image. Click the edit or camera icon next to your avatar, then pick upload or choose photo from your files or camera roll. You want a clear headshot with correct orientation. Zoom lets you crop, rotate, and zoom so the face is centered. Take a moment to preview the thumbnail because small misalignment looks worse at meeting sizes. When satisfied, tap Save or Done so the app processes and applies the new picture to your profile. Finish by confirming the change. Open a chat or start a test meeting to see your new photo and thumbnails. If it doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in or clear the app cache to force a refresh. Sometimes servers need that nudge. Also check the file type and size. Use JPG or PNG within Zoom's limits because oversized files can fail silently. If issues persist, retry with a smaller image and then repeat the upload to ensure the profile photo updates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.